What's up, fags? Today we got a Suck My Cock Some Fantoy SMC hugger, as you know. Swear to God, I only had to wait this video once because I have a faggot phone. So, yeah. What's your question? Go, phone. So, what it says? Suck my cock. Come on, suck on it, guys.
Suck on.
Yeah, whatever. I've been short. Someone doesn't into it because it's in all my space. 6 blades. Open this up, shit, yeah. To put dirty. I probably do remake because it's in I have a year and a half, and that's why some of the full demo of it I know. So, yeah, I took the white off of it and shit.
Oh, that didn't work?
Yeah, it does. You're doing poorly, you dumb fuck.
Hey, never mind.
Yeah, it's boy. Just like you like it.
Nah, that's kind of gay.
I turned the fan, port 3 times, and my friend turned it off. That changed, Frankie. Gotta be careful of it, it's Frankie. It's a pussy. That's best killing the wicked gut. If I undershove that from himself up his ass, it's gonna come out of his mouth. So, anywho, there's low speed. I'm not gonna spell it down. You have something for me. Hey, yum. Which this was been a lot lately because it really reason why I put this in the hallway because it gets warmer in here than it is in the rest of the basement because it's washer and dry and the water heating and the furnace on one area. Doesn't get hot back in the rest of it, but you know, it gets a little toasty. So these on me wait, how fat? It's colder than one. If I'm working back out to my high, I had this on high a couple times when before I put up to 2 by the time I had this on high for a while. And then my friend told my veteran carpet at one time, we all was high fat. Pretty fast roll. Something tuck fit. I don't know that time, not. Nope. Think he has some bitch. Well, just have it. It's very powerful. One of the most powerful huggers I dealt with. So powerful than I need to be. I am not even. I am like, I don't know, 15 feet from me. I am all against the wall by stakes. And this thing, I feel it. It's really good for feeling hungry. Good God. You stand under it, you'll get bleeds, alright? Off, the spin down, which luckily spin down doesn't really take that long. Hit this thing here is short tape, you can bend it so ain't no boy brackets. Everything about this is cheap, but it's good everywhere and stuff, so. Smokes its own mouth. in the room, dick around like fuckhead. On his phone like always. Fucking send to shove itself up his ass. It's gonna
I'm
kill
gonna put
him.
away up your ass.
Time to put suck my cock in this. And yeah, as soon as I know people have fans in conversion hallways, I tried it for it. It makes no difference. And my OCD will bother me if it was in this. I'm gonna move my big ass head out what he's wanting me to do. It's swollen, it's just a good fan. In the wintertime, I probably using this as a habit. It's all one time if I'm using this. Oh, it's actually springing up. Don't mind. Man, aiming and for it all out outdoor English, I really don't. So, forward's better. Make sure Richard's your places up for don't. Oh, wait, yeah, it's a sicker for other rooms. I was going to keep going. It was cold and Ford does the best job of that. I do for like a motherfucking actually doing now, Alright. You cunt. Trying to fuck itself. Is it pit?
Much easier.
So let's put back to me. It's been sickness. Like, subscribe, and peace out. Bitches! Phone's fucked up.